Escape to Mallorca brings you a rare and exciting investment opportunity in the heart of Saraco village in Andratx. This 19th century 5-bedroom boutique hotel with an additional independent apartment offers not just a business, but a home. So let's enter the large communal living area, which is perfect for guests to relax. Leading into an indoor dining room for rare cooler days, the hotel also features an outdoor terrace, garden, pool and parking spaces, but more on this later. Now let's go upstairs to the bedrooms, which can be found on the first and second floors. All bedrooms are en suite and offer split air conditioning and heating and great views to welcome year-round visitors. Moving up to the second floor and the other guest bedrooms, the views are even more spectacular. With the largest guest bedroom looking out over the other side of the village. Heading back downstairs to a modern refurbished kitchen and onto an independent apartment. Featuring a living and dining area, take the stairs up to a cosy bedroom. The gardens are accessed from the main hotel and the apartment, showcasing a swimming pool as well as spacious, luscious green areas. As well as a shaded terrace, making this wonderful Balearic retreat the perfect place to relax and unwind. If you would like to view this incredible opportunity right here in Saraco, please contact Claire now on +34 695 420 903.